Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix account warning on TikTok. So guys, when this problem is appears, so you can see here it's appear on your profile menu. Here you can see guys, here is the account warning option. So how can you fix this problem? So what you have to do is just simply close this page, and you have to take a screenshot of your problem from here. And then what you have to do is just simply tap on Google or any browser, and you have to search for TikTok feedback. And after that, what you have to do is just simply click on first link here, and you will see this type of interface. So you have to fill this form. So firstly, you have to write your email, any active email you can put here. And here you have to give your TikTok username, and here you have to select your topic, and you have to type an account ban suspension, and here you have to explain your reason. So I have already copied and given in the description as well. So after that, what you have to do is just simply tap on upload, and you have to select your screenshot of your problem. So what you have to do is just simply check both of these, and you have to tap on submit, and your request will be submitted, and they will respond after 24 hours, and you will receive an email from TikTok team, and they will guide you how to fix this problem. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.